Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your hair type and current moisture level so the product works as intended. Once done, dispense about 1/2 teaspoon into your palm and rub to warm it. This activates the formula. Make sure to apply from mid-lengths to ends first, since those areas need the most help. If your scalp is oily, avoid the roots entirely. After initial spread, comb through with fingers or a wide tooth. Comb to ensure even distribution before moving to styling. Now you'll build the routine purposefully. Apply a leave-in first to hydrate and a heat protectant if you'll use tools, then your as I am styling product. Once layered, use 1 to 2 pumps for short hair and increase for long or dense hair. This prevents weighing hair down. When blow drying, choose low to medium heat and a diffuser for curls to preserve pattern. Make sure to work in sections so every strand receives product. This creates consistent definition and hold. Finish by sealing cuticles. Apply a light serum or oil sparingly to ends for shine and frizz control. Avoid the scalp. Once styled, maintain results by refreshing with a light mist of water or 10-20% conditioning mix. Scrunch to reactivate curl or texture. If you notice heaviness or limpness after repeated use, clarify with a gentle clarifying shampoo, then restart the routine with reduced amounts. And if frizz persists, make sure you're not using silicone-heavy layering that can cause buildup over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.